Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history here, and as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply do it automatically. So in order to do that, we have to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, so the list which we just saw, the cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, auto-inform data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, and I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.